وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه. And every man, every person will have his deeds clean, tied on his neck. وَنُخْرِجُ لَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ, and we will bring out for him on the day of judgment. كِتَابًا وَنُخْرِجُ لَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ كِتَابًا يَلْقَاهُ مَنشُورًا. Allah. And we will bring out for him, he will bring out for you and I a book spread open. Brother, now keep remembering. Iqra kitabak, read your book. Iqra kitabak, read your book. You did not do but you said you did, read your book, is in it. Iqra kitabak. You did not go, you said you went, it is in the book. Read it, is there. You did not do, you said you did, it's in there. You did not see, you said you saw, it is there. Whatever you said is there. Iqra kitabak. Iqra kitabak. What am I going to see in my record? What are you going to see in your record? What is it? What is it going to be? اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم. You are enough as an accountant against your own soul. اقرأ كتابك تذكر وقوفك يوم الأرض عريانا. The poet said, to remind you, تذكر وقوفك يوم الأرض عريانا. Remember the day you will be standing naked. I will be standing naked. We will be standing naked. Remember that day, terrified, scared. مستوحشا قلق الأحشاء قلق الأحشاء قلق الأحشاء مستوحشا قلق الأحشاء حيرانا. You are terrified, you are scared, and you are naked. اقرأ كتابك يا عبد. Oh you, it will be said to you, read your book. Read your book. But one thing, فهل ترى فيه حرفا غير ما كان. Do you see, did you see anything in it that didn't happen? You will never find in that book something that didn't happen, because Allah never cheats anyone. So my dear brother and my dear sister, وَوَجَدُوا مَا عَمِلُوا حَاضِرًا, they will find what they did present. يَوْمَ تَجِدُ كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَا عَمِلَتْ مِنْ خَيْرٍ مُحْضَرًا, the day that you and I will find what we did present. So watch your step. Don't be bankrupt on that day. Don't be bankrupt on that day. So watch the way you act, watch the way you act, watch the way you talk, watch what you say about him, watch what you say about her. You make them divorce because of your false accusation. They are divorced. They hate each other because of your false accusation. The orphan is crying today because you took his belongings. He is crying, he is suffering because you took what belongs to him. You did not do good. Brother, remember, whatever it is, you will find it on that book. فَهَلْ تَرَى فِيهِ غَيْرَ مَا كَانَ. Do you see anything in that book that did not happen, that didn't happen? So my brother, And my dear sister, إِنَّ يَوْمَ الْفَصْلِ كَانَ مِيقَاتًا. Remember and slow down. Whatever you do, remember, you will stand before Allah and you will answer. Make sure you have a prepared answer, because وَكِفُوهُمْ إِنَّهُمْ مَسْئُولُونَ.